G'day guys, Scotty here from the Hook and the Ccok, and welcome back to our channel. I'm out on the beautiful Port Acking River today, and I'm out here with my dad, giving the boat a run during COVID. It's been a bit tough, and we're going to head up the river today. I've got a hot tip on where I can find some good sized mullet, so it should be a bit of fun, Dad.
Yeah, it should be good. Yeah. I've been looking forward to it.
So guys, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification below, and leave us a comment down below if you want to see some other clips, and let us know what you want to see. Anyway, we'll head off and see how we go. We're up at Gray's Point now, working our way up the river. It's further up the river they got the mullet. You right there, Dad?
Yeah, mate, fine.
And absolutely glorious day to be out on the boat. Righto, let me run you through the gear we're going to use for mullet today. I'm using my trusty 4000 OC bait runner from Shimano and the dual rod that I use in a lot of clips. Nice and light, works really well. To that I've just got simply a simple float. That's the float we made in the YouTube clip, down to a very small hook for mullet and a couple of split shots. And it's a running float, so I can set up different depths depending on where the mullet are sitting in the water column. So a nice light rod and outfit works well. Of course, bread's probably the best burley you can use for mullet. So we're using some fresh bread, and we're actually just going to use this for burley and roll it up into little balls, and that'll be our bait. And I've got a simple tackle box just with some other bits and pieces, some beads, swivels, a little float that I've had for probably 30 years, and I've caught hundreds of mullet on that one. A favourite, so I'll try that later if the other one fails. So some simple gear, it's all you really need. Dad's behind me here, spinning for flathead in case I fail on the mullet. And but the tips were some good fish around, so hopefully as the tide starts to push in, we might be able to get a few. So a little tip first, guys. I'm just going to roll up some little bits of bread and get them to sink down into the water and get the mullet feeding on those little balls of bread going down. And then hopefully I can float a bait down, loaded with a hook obviously, and get lucky. I'll see how we go. Yep, we're on. There we go, a beautiful mullet. Plan come to work. Thank you, Nathan Smith. Now I'll get this guy back in the water and see if we can catch another one. Okay, Dad's got a gari on. Nice one.
Yeah, nice gari.
Good gari, yeah. And you haven't caught a gari for a while?
No.
Just hold him up, get a look at him. Yeah. Real nice gar. Oh, you can take him home and eat him. Nice little brim. They've moved in on the bread trail. There's still mullet down there, but the brim are quite aggressive when they do move in on the trail. Put him back. Oh, there's a good mullet. Good looking mullet, that one. Beautiful fun. A little mini marlin. I think there's more garfish here now than mullet.
Yeah, he was small.
Yeah. Beautiful little fish. Look at the beautiful red tip on the end of his snout there, or his beak. You can go back that one. Nice work. Nice Gary. Well, we've had an interesting afternoon out here on the Port Hacking River chasing mullet. Got some garfish and some brim. Have you had a good time, Dad?
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Good?
yeah,
Been a beautiful day. Beautiful day. And a lot of fun. And look, fish light, bread for bait, and you can have a lot of fun. Bring the kids out. They'll really enjoy it. Now, guys, tune into our channel next week for another fantastic clip. And we'll see you guys on the water real soon. Cheers.